Hey guys, I want to see how many of you guys are here. So just some comments. Let me see how you're doing. If you are in another part of the world other than Jamaica or the Caribbean, let me know what time it is. Okay, I'm not seeing any responses from anybody. 7 people watching. Hi, everyone. Drop some comments down below for me now. Let me see who's here. Hi, Shelly and Williams. And Yubicubical is here. Hi, guys. All right, shout out to you guys. You are one of the first people watching. Okay, so thank you. You're looking so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. What else? Try to look presentable today, you know? Just a little powder on there. I'm counting down. Kenny said she's counting down. Girl, we started. We have started. So today we're going to be talking all about friendships and everything to do with friendship. I know this topic everybody can relate to because we've all had good and bad friends. Yandy, hey cuz. Yes, I'm so happy that you joined. So everybody can relate to this topic, woman, man, boy, and girl, because we've all have friends. We've all had some experiences we might not be proud to share, but you know, it has taught us something along the way. So that's why I decided to do this topic. So yeah. All right. And before I did the live, I went ahead and did some research on what it is about, what friendship, what people are saying about friendship, what science has to say about friendship, and even what the Bible has to say about friendship. So I went ahead and did my research, guys. 2 people left. Oh, come on, guys. Hello, Jamaican Insider. Hi. Nice of you to join us. All right, so let's jump right into this. So the topic today, few friends or many friends? What do you got to say? Drop some questions down, drop it down below. Let me know, how many friends do you got? Do you have a big circle? You have a small circle? Talk to me now, people. You are looking extra. Oh, thank you, Kenny. Oh, okay. Talk to me, people. I mean, do you have a lot of friends, or are you like me who just stick with my circle is very, very small. I don't have a lot of friends to deal with. Jamaican Insider said, few friends. Me too. I mean, can't bother with the big crowd. You know, we can't bother with that. We don't need that right now. Yandy said, not at all. My friends are so, I can count my friends on one hand. Honestly, me not have a lot of friends, and that's just the way I've been ever since growing up. I do not have a lot of friends. When I was in high school, I did have a lot of friends. But the thing is, natural small circle, less stress. That is so correct. I do believe so. In high school, I had a lot of friends. Wagwan, Caribbean gal. Midday here. So happy for you to join. So, like I was saying, high school for me, I had lots of friends, and it was fun because we were just high schoolers. It was super duper fun. But as I got older, I realized that some of those friends aren't really there with you. You know, they're not really friends. They don't got your back. So As I grew older, I realized that, you know, my circle just keep getting smaller and smaller. Yubitubi, hello Monique Messam, hola. Yubitubical said, I'm an introvert, so you know how that goes. Definitely, definitely so. Me too. I'm an introvert, but there are times when I am an extrovert. I have to be very comfortable for you to, that side of me to come out. So I think I'm kind of both. Anybody else here is like that? You're kind of introverted, but then you're also an extrovert? Hello, the Real Lewis family. Hi, so glad that you guys are here. Oh, you're just listening. Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate you joining us. All right, so let me go and share with you guys what I found, what science says. And this is according to livescience.com. It says whether one has a small, cozy group of friends or a larger, more boisterous gaggle may depend on individual personalities and circumstances. It says new research suggests when deciding which type is best, socioeconomic conditions are key. So basically, they're saying rich people have no friends, and people on the lower end might not have a lot of friends. But you believe that? Tell me, you guys. Tell me, do you believe that? Seems like you're an ambivert. Yes, Jamaican Insider, I could be. I don't have a lot of friends, says Yandy, because people always take advantage of me or they just stay around me because of what they could get. So true. So true. That is so true. I saw mistake too. And the people, I mean, they know I go all out. I go all out for my friends. I mean, I'm always there when they need me and helping them in situations. And when that time comes for them, show their side and help me when I'm in need, nobody no did there. So that no nice. And you feel like, so when me have them for? I no friend them, huh? Yes, I am. I do become the life of the party when it's necessary. Yes, you with you, because yeah, Yandy, I have been through that too, hon. The Real Lewis family says, me too, host. I'll comment when I can. Okay. All right, no problem. I understand. So let me continue to share what I found online. So they're saying cross-cultural research has shown that having many friends is not always viewed positively outside of the US. For instance, in Ghana, they noted an individual who claimed to have more than 50 friends was considered foolish. Okay. On the other hand, the study revealed that more than half Americans preferred having a broad, shallower network. Weaker ties between friends appeared advantageous, they said. Well, let me I do think that if you have 50 friends, like, what you do with 50 friends? 50? Oh, you go keep up. You can imagine when your phone start to ring off and text message are coming. Lord Jesus, when you go and think about it. 50 friends? Come on. Tell me something, man. I can attest to that, Jamaican Things, and I have seen you helped many and they ended a true girl. You know the thing, okay? Me and you, I know today yesterday, me and you are coming up. So, you know the thing. I will not call no name. So, yeah, Monique Messam says, why? I think that rich people don't have true friends at such, says Yandy. They just have people around them who they think are with them, but when they are broke, they can count their fingers how many people they are. Truly appreciate the fact that you did some research and prepare and not just winging it. I was trying this live out the other day and we never really prepare or anything. And Mr. Look here, me now come here and just chat bag of foolishness. I just so stay overall. I just like to have facts. If you go tell me something, if you tell me something, you have to come with facts with it, because me not gonna believe it unless me have the facts there. So me make sure I go do my research and make you know say I know me say so, I research say so. All right. UB2 because said I don't ask my friends for anything. to that. I think it's hard on them to always worry about me. Yes, sometimes, yes, but let me tell you, there are times when you really need to confide in someone. So I don't really ask for favors, but you want to talk to somebody, like share what you're going through with them, and they're not there to even lend a listening ear. Just that you want from them, and they're not even there. So I mean, come on, that not nice. 50 friends too much. I only have 5 real friends. What, real Louis? Yeah, you have enough. I maybe may have like 3 right now, like 3. And I realize that the older I get, the less my crowd gets as well, because it's like it easy for me if you say, why me I look into things and the one you're not so real, And me not go vex with you or nothing, me not go vex with you, no. Me not go cuss you, me not go fight, nothing like that. You just have to say, me not go really text you again. Me not go really text you. And when I do text, I mean, it's just like, oh, how you doing? Like a little simple talk. But hey, C Miller, so glad you're here. 876 Reborn, Wagwan. And the real Louis family says, love your hair. Oh, thank you. So that we get one old one. I have this for like 2 years, and I decided to wash it and wear it, and it come out nice. It was such a big mess, but I got it looking okay again. And if me never tell you wouldn't know, not true. Yeah. Hey, C Miller, thank you guys. Remember to thumbs up the live, guys, and share it. You're welcome. Oh. All right, so what does the Bible say about friendship? According to Proverbs 18:24, and this is from the King James Version, it says, a man that hath friends must show himself friendly, and there is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. So basically there, need nothing clearer than that. If you not a friend to me, how you gonna expect me to be a friend to you? The Bible said that, It said you have to show yourself friendly for you to be a friend, for you to have friends. Now that it has said. So we have to be friends, guys. We have to have good qualities, guys, in our friends. Let me see. You bring off the wig. Oh, thank you. See me love blessings, son. Okay, guys, come on, share some of what's going on with you have any experiences with your friends? Share some of them so I can read them to the live. Share some of your experiences. We have 1 hour here, guys. 1 hour. And me now go just sit down and chat. So I want to hear from Uno. So let me see what's going on. Any experiences you've had with your friends that you'd like to share? I agree with the Bible, darling. Yes, Kenny, a true man. We have to be a good friend. And if we don't show qualities that are good to be a good friend, make she no reborn. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ubical. If you don't have these qualities, what I look for in friends, you have to be honest with me. You can't be bad mind, and you have to be share with me. Share with me, because when I'm sharing, I not hold back. I'm always there to help, and if you need something, I'm gonna be there to help. So pretty much that's what I'm looking for in a friend: honesty, caring, and willing to just go all out with me. I wouldn't be here without my friends. That's true. And you have to be fun too. I'm not always just into the boring life. Sometimes I want to go out and have a good little time with my friends and just chill and relax and have a good time. So yeah, you have to be, a good friend to people so that they could say, that one are really nice. I like that girl, or I like that guy, So I wouldn't be. Oh, I read that already. Okay, come on, guys. I know you've had experiences out there with friends. Um, one, let me tell you about one story time that I have to share about a friendship. I want to tell me if you don't like this. I want to tell me if you don't like this. I had a friend back in the day, and everything I had, we were a long time we are friends because we used to go to the same church and all of that. Our parents are friends, so you know, say, I know today or yesterday. We are friends. Monique Messam said had a friend who did want to see anything going for anyone else but herself. Had to achoo. Similar to that, me I got say this story time, you guys. Wanna tell me if I'm the wicked friend or if something was wrong with her. Wanna tell me, because me don't know if me biased, but me not think say I was the bad one. But anyway, here goes the story. So I had this friend for years, right? Like I said, our mothers were friends. We went to the same church, the same school. We lived close by, so we could have just walked go the next one yard. When my mommy cook food, we bring some go over to her house. When her mommy cook food, they bring food to. I just so we used to live, and we were really close. Like sometimes I think she not have a yard because she was always at my house, or she probably would have think the same for me because I was always at her house. One time, I mean, say I stayed at her house for like 2 weeks, 2 weeks, or maybe was it a month. But anyway, and as we got older, I started seeing a few things in her that I never really liked. And I, like, for instance, I remember I was so into makeup back in the day. Lord Jesus. Every new makeup palette that was released, I had it. Makeup brushes, I know me even know what them there. Makeup brushes, lipstick, all that stuff. I had a lot. So every time I would get a new makeup palette, if I got, say, I remember when I got Naked 2 palette, um, like 2 weeks after that, she get Naked 3. She get Naked 3 palette. And I mean, like, why are you, it's like she in a competition with me. I remember one day we were going out. We got dressed and we were going out. We were just going to get some food on the road and just eat and relax and chat and just be ourselves. And when I got dressed and she saw what I was wearing and she looked at herself, she looked at me and she said, "Me no bother want go. You look better than me." She said me look better than her. And I even offered to her, I said, if you want try something else from my closet, try and get looking at the closet if you want anything else in there to wear, look if you want change your blouse or anything like that. I mean, the girl basically said she nah go. And I had to basically talk her into coming with me because she never want to go because she feel like say me look better than her. I mean, never look. Me did just simply on like a blouse and jeans pants because that's so me. Most times that's how I dress, simple. And the girl said me look better than her. I mean, from the time that me I look into things and me I say no man, no me not like that. And I mean, me just stop talk to her. Me just stop that like when she called me, like me never interested to hear from her anymore. And she called my phone and I not really want to answer her because she just was so negative and ready eye. Yes, we Jamaicans would say ready eye. Real Lewis family says, I don't like them kind of friend. Me not like them either. Yandy said, I had one best friend who was like my sister. We were Batty and Bench. All when we fall out, we still find the time to sit and trash out our issues. We were both born in the same month. She knows me inside and out, and likewise, but sadly she died, and I haven't found anyone. Oh my goodness. That is such a sad story, Andy. Oh my God, I'm sorry. But guess what? See, the Bible say, there is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. You know who that? Not true. So him our friend. When we lose a friend like your friend who died, we have a friend there who's closer than our brother. Not true. So yeah, insecure, a true Jamaican insider. Yes, so me just stop talk, me just lose interest in a she, and me know Kenny know who me attack. Kenny know who me attack, cause she and Kenny were like this. We were just so tight, inseparable in high school, growing up, and we that. So Kenny know who me attack, man. Jamaican Things. I drop a friend because of that. Both of us normally go out and take pics together. One night we go to a party together, and true me dress better than she. She not take no pic with me. How you say? She don't take no picture because she don't look good. Then who tell her if wear all woman clothes? Who tell her if wear all woman clothes? You know, say I go to their friend, you know, put on something looking nice, man. Put on something nice. And if you don't have nothing nice, go borrow something. Eh? Go borrow something. If I ever you see him friend, she could have come to you. Not true, Ken, me know you need to tell her no. Go borrow something and put on and look presentable. You be too, because no, sir, sometimes people use your friends to get to you, and your friends just never know until it's too late. True, I agree. So true. And he say, yes, hon, I know her. Yes, me know say you know. From the start of the story, me know say you know. So yeah, guys, that was just one of my bad experiences with a friend. Me can have something and everything me have, you are run forget it too. Like say we in a competition. No, me not think friendship will be competition. You're there with me. You just say, you know, say me really like that palette there. Me love it, you know. I me see one similar to it. Me I go buy, you know. That's the thing too. She never even did say anything to me. She don't say anything to me, you know. She don't start to me and say, you know, say me see such and such, me go try and get it too. Or so for hear my point of view on it. You know? She don't say nothing to me. She just run go buy it. So me buy I remember when I bought a makeup brush set with, I think it was 12 pieces in there. She run go buy one brush set with 24 pieces of brushes. I mean, everything me do, she a try to bigger. Like, we not compete. And also me not like them type of friendship there. So uno tell me no. Uno think I was wrong to drop that kind of friendship. You be typical sure it wasn't your own cooking. Girl, I saw people bad mind. The girl is insecure for real. Yes, man. Very, very insecure. And I mean, I heard this back. I remember when I stopped talking to her completely, me hear news from somebody else say she a chat up my name and I say me this and me that. And me have one bag of story if it could have tell about her, because remember I know today or yesterday we are talking, you know, we are talking from we idea with me. And I don't go road and talk this girl business. And when I heard that just sealed the deal right here. Me just done with her. Because you mean fi say, you go talk, chat me business them a road with people and me not chat for you. And let me tell you, if you are business them, if me did for chat it, you know, I know something pretty, you know. I know something pretty. So me no, I'm not that type of friend. Me not in a them something here. If me and you a friend keep secrets. Right? That's why I always try to do different from my friends. I have bad experience with Christian friend too. We attend the same school when I was doing early childhood education, and I always score more than her. The girl start to give me attitude. So me leave her, that's right, leave her company. We don't need them type of people there. Them something they build bad vibes, and I mean, look how time stressful at times. You can imagine you are trying to come out of problems or you have face already in a life, and then friend come up and stress you out even more. No, sir, we are going to full up a great ear. We don't want them people their own way. Negative vibes, me can't deal with it. Me easy to cut off people. So as soon as they come to me with some negative talk or some, me just gone. Me just not bother with you. Me can't bother. Does someone have a good oatmeal recipe for me, please? Greetings from the Netherlands. Hello, what is that? Jelly Gibbors. Hello, she's joining us from the Netherlands. No, no chat it, girl. Leave her to type. No, no, me not chat it. I know some mistake. Then, girl, you know, say years ago that happened. If me did for chat, Lord God. And by the way, where makes sense? It do me any good if me chat for your business? Tell me no. What good that I go do me if me go walk and tell people for your business? Eh? You just now go cause stress for me, and then you go here say, me here say, Kim say, you say, this, that. No, me not like them something there. Wanna talk to me, man, share some of the stories with me about friendships. I mean, and then again, me not hear nobody tell me. I mean, what do you think? What would you do in my situation? Would you still keep that kind of friend, or would you just drop her? And you know what I think I did wrong in that friendship. Me never really tell her. Me never really tell her say, them something that she do. Why me drop her company? Me just stop answer her calls. Me just stop reply to her texts and that kind of thing. But me never tell her, and I think me kind of regret doing it like that. So that kind of teach me a lesson. So I feel like if I have a friend now who's behaving like that, I think I would approach it differently. So me I go to the person and say, look, yeah, do some things that me not like, you know. I didn't do it like that. And so I kind of regret doing that. Me just drop our company completely and never tell her. But kind of feel bad, you know, because she was really nice outside of those qualities that she had. She was really fun, and honestly, we kind of miss our company, you know. Sometimes I do, but me just couldn't stand the competition, and me never like how she behave, you know. And it just made me feel even worse when I think about her going outside behind my back and sharing things that I shared with her privately. So I just saw life go. But yeah, and what I'm sharing with you guys right now, that happened maybe like 10 years ago. I saw Kenny about 10 years ago, a long time. But I do miss her. I miss her company bad. You be too because you know, cause my mother a big me up though the youth mother give him a thing for give me, and true I'm a friend never too meds it plus a primary school days that okay you be too because he's talking to Donnie. Jamaican Insider said, did you try to talk to her about the issue you had? It's sad to lose such a true, me never talked to her. Me just say I never talked to her about it. I may regret that. Me did just drop the company. Me just stop answer her calls. Stop reply to her messages. And I guess she just get the picture because she did just stop calling. I think that was a little bit mean, but me kind of regret that, yeah. Girl, you don't need to lower your standards at all, says Yandy. If you told her business to others, that would make you and her the same. True. And me no down that the dirt there. So me lift myself above that, you know. Hello, Katie's World. I am so glad you're here, darling. Since you regret not telling her, how about reaching out to her and just talk about it? Jamaican Insider. That's a really good thing. I would love to do that, but guess what? I don't have a contact for her anymore. And back in the day when I had Facebook, I used to see her on there, but I deleted my Facebook account years ago. So I don't know how I go get to her, and I don't know anybody who could reach out to her. Her mother don't live at the house that they used to live. So I know like some account, go there. And then again, I don't live in Jamaica anymore. So hello, Duha. Am I pronouncing it right? Duha Games. Hello. Nice of you to join us. Yeah, so as I was saying, there's no way for me to get back in touch with her. So I just say go, yeah, you win some, you lose some. And she was just one of them that I lost. Yeah, so come on, guys, share some more stories with me so I can read. The topic, okay, Katie's world. We're talking about friendships. What kind of share some stories with us, some good stories that you had with your friends or bad stories, whichever one you decide to share. We'd love to hear it. Give us your experience with friends. Let us know what's happening. Few friends or many friends? Yes, Kenny, tell them what's going on. So yeah, that was just one of my experiences with a friend, and yeah, I don't even know if she watching my channel or she watched, but maybe she watched with pictures say she, because all the clues leading up to her. If you if you want to share any story, guys, come on, share it with me. I will read it out. I'm also thinking, I don't know if I should, but I'd really love to do like a call-in. I've seen other live broadcasts with persons doing call-in. That is something I would love to do. But me don't know. Me I test this out at first to see what happens. Maybe. John Wick, hello. He said, I have a girlfriend, but she has no eyebrows. Okay. Okay, John Wick. Well, they have eyebrows now selling in the stores. You can go and get a paste on eyebrow for her if you want. It's a thing now. Donnie B, hello again. She said that done and over. History, move on. Yeah, but sometimes it's good to revisit the past and talk about it, because we learn from our past mistakes. So with us here sharing, maybe somebody else could learn, or if you feel like you're that type of person or you have qualities like that, maybe you could change those. So that's why we're talking about it. Okay, Donnie B, sometimes it's good to revisit the past. UB2 because she can draw them on, no biggie. Not true. A simple thing to do. She can draw them on with a little pencil. All right, she looks like Goblin. Oh, well, it don't sound like you really like her then. Because if you're gonna tell us she look like Goblin, I mean, no, Goblin is not a nice looking creature. So, not true. LOL to that one. I mean, if she look like Goblin, then I know your girlfriend then. I want something you probably use a girl for. All right, guys. So let me share what else I found online about friendships. Now, this one is a twist to the first information I shared. And so they're saying a new study finds that younger people have larger social circles, but older people have healthier relationships. Older adults are often more selective than younger adults when picking their social media connections. Their smaller social circles have a higher proportion of meaningful connections, and those are the relationships that support a feeling of social well-being. And this is according to psychologyandaging.com. So basically, this is just so true. The older I get, the more I realize that my circle gets smaller. So I'm more selective with my friends, and there are certain qualities that I look out for. And if you don't have them things, me not go bother call you my friend. So I want to hear from you. Is it true? Is it true that older adults have fewer friends and younger adults, maybe say 18, 21, 24, have a larger social circle? What do you guys think? Is it true? Do you agree with that? Drop your comments down below. And remember, guys, if you're watching the stream and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and watch the ads when they pop up on your screen, because that makes me happy. I sub. Okay, Duha Games, thank you so much. Yeah, uno agree? Uno agree with that? Older adults have less friends and the younger ones have a bag of friends. Yandy said, love the fact that you're coming out of your shell. Not true. And doing this live. Kadine's World said, what's meant will always be true. If it's not meant to be, it won't be. Yes, Kenny, remind them to give the live a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. I love to see thumbs up on all my videos. So come on, guys, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up and share it. Share the stream. Yes, I agree. A true man. Me not have a lot of friends. Do you consider acquaintances your friends? Tell me, guys, do you consider acquaintances your friend? And when we say acquaintances, I mean like, you know the man there down the road, or you know the lady there, and if you see her in the supermarket, you're going to heal her up or things. Do you consider people like that your friends? Me agree to Miss Sis. Hello, the bipolar brain. Wow. That name, the bipolar brain. Okay. That's funny. Hello. Yes, the real ones never have a lot of friends. Yeah, man. A true Kadine's World. A true. So true. I prefer to have acquaintances. So wait, what you're saying is you don't have any friends at all? You just have acquaintances? Acquaintances, like I said, you just have people where you just eel up. You know them and you eel them up when you see them on the road. UB2 said, me and my best friend cannot speak for 10 years, but whenever we call each other, it's like a last night we spoke. Actually, you know, because every day me and Kenny we talk like every day. If we don't actually make a phone call, we text. And whenever we get together, oh my goodness, magic happens. We're just like, oh my gosh. I don't consider them to be my friends because there are some things I won't share with them. A true attack. Acquaintance is different for me because if I have a friend is somebody when I go share personal things with a friend. And listen, me no have a bag of people when me tell me my business. I can't take a phone call right now. So, yeah, what was I saying again? Yeah, acquaintances. I don't share my personal things with them, my personal issues with them. No, that's for my bona fide friends. How to propose while you're inside. Oh, Lord. No such thing as friends. The bipolar brain says no such thing as friends. Really? Well, I have friends. I have about 3 really good friends right now. And one of them I met last year, and I'm a real good friend. Me no want to call no name, but I hope me not even see her comment on this. Maybe she's busy. Hey, Mia mother. You have nice teeth, madam. Thank you, bipolar brain. You know, I've been working on my teeth. I haven't been liking the color. And I tried this new toothpaste and it seems to be working. I need to do professional teeth cleaning soon because with the corona going on, anyway, I don't want to get this stream a gorgeous smile. Thank you. First on your channel, I think I saw. Okay, Donnie B, thank you for subscribing. Finally caught the live. Yes, you did, Mia Mother. And hey guys, Mia Mother is a small YouTuber, and she has videos on motherhood advice and things like that. So if you are interested in that, you go over and subscribe to her. Can I share a story about fake friend of mine? Sure, that's what we're here to do. We're here to talk about friends and friendships, everything having to do with friends. So drop your comments and I will read them. I bet you look better than all your friends. Bipolar brain, all my friends are cute. Okay, we're all cute. You are my best friend forever, you know. Oh, really? No one is an island. No man can stand alone. You do need a friend or people. So true, Yandy. We need friends. Correction. My men's the past almost drive crazy. Okay, Donnie B. Caribbean highlights. I don't share private things with friends. Why? Because they will have power over you. When things go sour, they always have the hands up as to what to disclose of you. Only have yourself. You know, that is kind of true, Caribbean highlights. I kind of agree with you. And I share things with my friends, but I'm also selective about what I share. And you have to be, I have to know you for a number of years for me to be very, very open with you and just be unfiltered and just tell you everything. But you're so true. I totally agree with that. I do. Why aren't your friends in your chat? My friends are in my chat. Katie's World, Ubicubicle, Kenny's Vlog, of course. Those are my friends. We're your cyber friends. True. And I'm so glad that we are friends. Duha Games. We were in a trip. We were enjoying the trip. When we came back, I wanted to ask her something. I was talkative back in the day. She screamed at me and said, "No, stop. I told my mom about this." And yes. Is that the story you wanted to share? Because I don't really understand that one. Yes, Ubitubical. I know. We're cyber friends. Yeah, we're YouTube buddies. And another one of my friend on YouTube that I've been watching for months is 876 Gamer Bullseye. I've been watching his channel for months, man. I love it. Where are you from? Okay, bipolar brain. I am from Jamaica. I was born in Jamaica, but I now live in the Cayman Islands. Any other stories you'd like to share, guys? And remember, this is my live stream hour. So that means I'm going to be here for 1 hour. Every Monday, it will be 1 hour. So every Monday, I will be broadcasting live with a fun topic at 1 o'clock Jamaica time. So if you're not able to catch us live, you'll definitely catch the past stream because it will be on my channel. But I would love if you guys can make it. Yes, Gamer 876 TV. Yes, you know you be tubical. I think channel me watch and actually found your channel. So yeah, Emmanuel Jones, Westmoreland. Okay. What about Westmoreland? Emmanuel Jones. Yes, yeah, girl. Yes, I am. At Jamaica, me come from. You know my channel name, Jamaican Things. Yeah, that no matter which part me go, me I go be Jamaican. So I'm from bipolar brain and try chat patwa. It's so funny. I'm Anna from foreign to be. Me do love to see you on this live. You look so nice and green. Green. Hey, we need to teach you something about that word, the green. In Jamaica, the word green is actually offensive, you know? Green, green is he said me look so nice and green. Lord have mercy. I won't miss your live. So far, it has been very informative and I'm loving it. Thank you, Yandy. Duha Games. I'm in the East. Probably won't make it. Okay, where exactly? Oh, I think you said the Netherlands. I had a friend and I tried looking out for her and she ended up vexed with me. My dear, I can't take them people there when they too easy for bex. That's the next thing. Me don't like friend with too easy for bex and thin skin. You can't have a good little joke with them and they smile and laugh back with you. No, sir. Me don't like that. Beautiful Empress. Thank you, Emmanuel Jones. Kenny's vlog, bipolar. Not true, him not easy. Green, no, sir. Not true. We have to tell them fine people here about the word green. There's a few, that's probably gonna be a good topic. Some Jamaican words that, you know, green mean you look fresh. Yes, but to you, but in Jamaica, the word green is actually saying the person stinks, you know, green. You know. I mean, those people with the last name Green, oh Lord, when them in primary school, they were like probably anyway. Some friends are too thin skin. Yes, it's the opposite in Jamaica, said Ubitubica. Not true, tell them because they don't understand. Them are foreigners. Even some relationships are like that. Persons are too thin, are true. Are true, man. Some people too thin skin and me don't like that. I like to have a good joke. I like to have a good laugh. And if you can't sit down and take a nice little criticism at times from me, then it not gonna work. My friends used to insult me from 8 a.m. to 12 and from 12:45 to 5 every day for 3 years. Oh my goodness. That sound like your work friends them, man. Or school. Is it school or work? Because that sound like something like that. So yeah. Share your stories, guys. Tell me what you think. Good friends, bad friends. Share some stories with me. Just replying to my text. Gotta run now, host. Thanks for your time. Thank you, Lewis family. I'm so happy that you were able to join us. Thank you so much. Them used to call me messy and say me mess up myself, you know, girl. If I ever tell you my nickname in high school, actually I had two. When I first went to high school in grade 7, they used to call me Stuart Hardware because my last name is Stuart, and there's a pretty well-known hardware in my town with that name. You're welcome. Have a good day. Yes, so they used to call me Stuart Hardware. And then as I got older, that they named the gun, they top called me Stuart Hardware in high school. They started to call me Oliver Orange. For us Jamaicans, achoo, Shelly and William, some friends are not real. Achoo, man. When I got older in high school, then that they named the gun. They start calling me Oliver Orange. So in Jamaica, there was a TV commercial with some box drinks, and there was this big orange on there. And my name is Oliver Orange. Me are the king of the show. I still remember it because, Lord God. And guess what? The person who gave me that name, her last name was Pencil. Her last name was Pencil. So it was just like, so we called her another name, and yeah. So yeah, no, not Sturdy Hardware Bipolar. Stewart. You know, like Stewart. Like Stuart Little. You know the little, yeah. But they call me Stuart's Hardware. I had a friend in grade 9. Oh Lord, me and her find money in a BK bathroom. The girl didn't give me none of the money. She literally run go her yard with it. No, No, that the friend they are just thief. That the friend they are just thief. I mean, if you want to find the money, then make another split it and buy something, eat a Burger King under there, no? Oh God, she too wicked and mean. Stuart Hardware, Jamaicans are the best. Not true? You're one of my good friends. Oh, thank you, Katie's World. Hello, Life with Maya. You're there. Yeah, man, me glad say you finally joined. You reach home. What make them call you? Them kind of name there. All right, bipolar. Obviously, if you're you're a real foreigner, I know. You don't know Jamaicans at all. Jamaicans love to give people nicknames. All right. If you a little bit chubby or you have a little extra weight, them I will call you fatter. If your skin a little bit dark, them I will call you blacker. If you're too skinny, you don't have much meat on you, a lot of bones, then call you what do I call a slim somebody? Me don't even know. Wanna drop something down my bottom, slimmers or something like so. Yeah, so we love to give people nicknames in Jamaica based on your appearance. So bipolar brain, if you don't know nothing about Jamaican, you learn something today. Not true. My channel teach you that. All right. Them used to call my shoes tractor boot. Whoa, that one the bad. When you say tractor boot, I remember they used to call one guy in my high school Ninja Turtle. Hey, the guy, he really did favor Ninja Turtle, you know? He really, you don't know Ninja Turtle. Ninja Turtle and a pretty something. Ninja Turtle did that turtle. Me say me feel bad for him. Me did feel bad for him. Me never like when they call him Ninja Turtle. Because don't forget the Y names. The Y names. Give me some of the Y names, you know. Krukum Krum. Yes, achoo. Krukum Krum. Caribbean highlights say if you're too skinny, a Krukum Krum. Maga Divine. No, sir, uno too nice. Uno make me feel nice today. Me the hello, humble and calm. They call my sister from one big Irish family Crane because she was skinny. Hello, Catlantis Studio Animation. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, man. Me like the live here to Kenny. That one is nice. That one is nice. Them people here give me peer joke. Ninja Turtle. Yes, that was one of the name. Fatty, Blacky, Ratty, Matty, Finey, Chunky, Nuffy. Yes, those are all the names they would give people just by how you look. Okay, if you're from China, then call it Chinese or Chin. Yeah, they love call Chinese Chin, Jamaicans. They're no business what your name, as long as you have some Chinese look to you, a Chin your name. My mother called me wire waist. A girl named Akibak. Because whoa, you're too nice today. If you're skinny, they would call you fat free. I know fat free, me know them as Jamaican insider. And they used to call them what they say? Finey. Yeah, them kind of name there. Yeah. Remember to like the video. Yes, tell them. Imagine looking like a goddamn turtle in real life. True. They used to call one even Godzilla. They used to call one, hey, they were so terrible at my school with nicknames. You have Ninja Turtle, you have Godzilla, you have me, Oliver Orange, you have Cruella DeVille, you have, oh Lord, me can't even remember some of them. So name there. No. And Donkey Lip, yes. And then they called one of them Stormy Weather. They call the girl Stormy Weather because when she talks, you just it's like a storm pass through. So they call the girl Stormy Weather. Like Kenny, you remember that one day? Tell me, say you remember stormy weather, because you can't forget. You can't forget stormy weather. All right, we are totally drifting from our topic, guys. We weren't supposed to be talking about friends, but this gone into something else. I like this stream. My mother calls me Doha. Dohai. Me used to fat and they call me Chubby, like the little buckle Jew. Yes, yes, Maya. Remember when you did name Chubby, Chubby. Chubby, 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 Chubby. The magic one. Chubby. You know, in Jamaica there was a juice, a little baby buckle drinks, like they used to call me Browning, Fluffy and Reds. Yes, Yandy. And they still call you Browning because you're ever brown. Ever brown. Yes, man, stormy weather, donkey lip. Girl, you remember the teacher they called Big Red? Yes, I remember Big Red. Big Red tragically passed years ago. But yeah, man, this lady had this fiery hair, and she was a teacher at our school. And anytime she had passed, you know, man, everybody says, Big Red there. Yeah. If your lip long, a lipper or lipong. Why? Yes, sir, that one you sweet me. Me, I use the one donkey lip. Used to have a girl at my old workplace. I called Mikey or Mickey, because she looked like Michelangelo from Ninja Turtle. Oh, Michelangelo. Yes, Michelangelo from Ninja Turtle. Which teacher did name Patrick girl? Patrick girl at the same Big Red. Big Red did name Patrick. You know, remember, because our back was like really, really square. You sure, Patrick? In back is square, he never have a waist. In back just set like a box. Fire. I love it when people misspell my name. It's so funny. I don't like when people mispronounce my name. No, I don't like it. My name very hard to pronounce. My first name, that is. So I don't like when people mix it up, because if you mix it up, you might end up cause bad words. So, I don't like when people mix up my name. No. Bear spit fly when stormy weather tag. And not only that, you know, it just the smell. So when you talk to her, you have to dress back a little bit, because you know you have to have like, me don't know how to explain. You know them kind of smell the way if you not eat nothing, if your belly empty, we knock you out like so. Me not exaggerate, you know, I chew something. If you turn up and talk to her too long, me I tell her say you're faint, you have to go a nurse. She was upgraded to Firefox. My nickname was Little Biscuit in 5th grade, since I was the smallest kid in the school and I hated it. Oh, Little Biscuit. I like the name. I like the name Little Biscuit. Bipolar brain. Oh, thank you. You look gorgeous. That's what. How many times have you said that? So many times. So I guess I'm true then, man. You know, I said things set. Yeah. Now I'm weak. Yeah. Nobody spells my name properly. True. Only people who actually really, really, really know me will spell my name correctly. Other time they just spoil it up completely in pronunciation, everything. UB2 say, brother, one day I will upload a video with people trying to call my channel name. Well, me know how to pronounce it, or I think I do. UB2, right? Yeah, it's UB2. They used to call a teacher at my school Goat Head. No, that one they too wicked. Me no like goat. Me no like, no, I do like to eat the meat, but me no like goat, man. We both have dimples. I have 2 of them. Miss Mighty was hot, but her eye big. Yes, I true. Remember she always look good, you know. Always look good in a school. When this lady come in, you just think, say, she just come off of the runway. She always look good. Boys, them love what? Maya, you're too bad. Good ugly. True. Good ugly and yeah, Wanda. Okay, we're back. All right, guys. I don't know what happened a while ago, but anyway, I guess that was just a reminder. It is now 2:01 p.m. I want to thank everybody who came on and joined my live stream. The topic, even though we drifted, was best friends. Too many friends, are which is best? Few friends or many? And I am so happy that you guys were here to sit and chat with me. I appreciate you all. Trust me, Uno deserve a big bag of love from me, and that's what you're all gonna get. I wish I could actually come out and hug all of you, but unfortunately I can't. So yeah, this is where we're gonna come to an end. I had so much fun chatting with you guys. It was so fun. Oh my God, I can't believe it was such a success. I thank everybody who are here. And yeah, so if you want to see more and vibe with me again, don't be late. Next week, Monday at 1, I will be here with another live stream. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you in the next one next week. Bye-bye.